Welcome back to everything you wanted to know about Gen AI, but were afraid to ask in 5 minutes or less, where we take people who are non-technical, who are new to Gen AI, and just help you all get introduced to it and get your feet wet with it. My name is Claire Sullivan, and thanks for tuning in this week. Apologies that it's late, but you'll actually find out why in a little minute here. So, let's get into it today. I get asked a lot about agentic AI. People ask me, do I need agentic AI? And it really, yes, no, maybe, depends. The answer is it depends. It depends on where you're using it, how you're using it, what you're using it for. But in order to understand that, it's important to first understand what a large language model is, or LLM. An LLM is just a mathematical model that describes language. That's all you need to know about it at this point. It's been trained on basically the entire internet, a whole bunch of books, things like that, but it just understands language. It can't actually really do anything. You give it language, it responds in language. That's it. Now, agentic AI takes that one step further by providing these things called tools to the LLM. So the tools, what their job is to take the LLM and give it some capabilities here. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. So let's dive into that. I am going to start with a bit of code, actually, and I don't want you to worry that it's code. It's pretty straightforward here. I just wrote this little thing that's going to query ChatGPT. Now, the reason I'm doing this in code is because it's the one way I can guarantee that the only thing I am seeing is the output of an LLM. There's no tools involved because I haven't given it a tool. So I'm just going to ask this question. What is the current weather in Breckenridge, Colorado, my hometown? All right, so let's see what happens here. It's going to take it a second while it generates the answer. And there you go. I can't see live weather data in this chat. I'd need to have a weather source. You could go give me some weather information and I could help interpret it for you. It doesn't have the capability to search the web, go check weather, things like that. Now, we're going to take this very same question and I'm going to just dump this into ChatGPT right here. What is the current weather in Breckenridge, Colorado? Now, when you're doing this on the web interface like I'm doing here, they've actually programmed in a few tools for ChatGPT. The same thing with Claude and most of the other common ones. So it actually has gone out and hit a tool that goes and gets the weather, and you can see, severe weather alert, winter storm warning in effect. That's actually why I'm late in getting this video out. I was just snow plowing 10 inches of fresh powder, so it's going to be a great day here tomorrow in Breck to ski. But yeah, so this isn't something a large language model would know. A large language model does not know real-time information like this. But ChatGPT through its web interface, Claude through its web interface, and the like, they have tools plugged in. So they act in an agentic way. So when you're thinking about, do you need agentic AI, ask yourself, where are you using it? If you're using it just in the web interface, you might not. You might give it a try. If you are doing something like coding, and if you're doing something like coding, this video series is probably not for you. But if you're trying to create new products, new software products, then yeah, you might need agentic AI. Now, last thing here that I want to point out, go back to my slideshow here, is that I'm teaching a class coming up. And this class is designed for people who have no experience with Gen AI, just like the people in this video. There's 2 formats, 2 cohorts. One is a full day, and then the other one is broken up 1 hour for 6 days, spread across 2 weeks. So if you're interested in that, the link's at the top there. I'll also drop it in the description. Please give a like and a follow or subscribe or whatever this platform wants you to do, and have a great week. We'll catch you next time.